doon ko na po nalaman na meron po pala akong scoliosis.
Alright.
Yung pagsakit ng back pain ko.
Alright.
Very good. Feel better. I need kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
So I want to leave you, okay? So thank you for being here. What brings you in? What can we help you with?
So, nandito po ako para sa therapy po ng aking back. Ano po, para...
May part po bang masakit sa inyo? Kung bakit po kayo dito?
Yes.
Saan part po ang madalas masakit
Dito
sa
po,
inyo?
sa likod.
Sa back po. Sa upper back.
Yes.
Back and shoulder.
And sometimes, hindi, na ang hirap po makahinga, kaya ayun, natatakot din po ako na baka mas lumala pa po siya. So, kahit man lang po sa therapy, less po yung yung pagsakit ng back pain ko. So, no.
Or how long na po ba yan? Ilang taon na po, ilang months na po?
Ko po siya, natuklasan ko po siya noong 2017 sa may medical, ko po. Doon ko na po nalaman na meron po pala akong scoliosis. Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Alright, so we're going to do an exam for you right now, okay? So tuck your chin again. Any pain to your fingertips? No? Look up the ceiling. Back to neutral, turn your head left and right. Okay? Yeah. So now I'm going to check your back. We're going to turn this way. Any pain there? Pain?
May masakit po ba?
Okay, to the left side. Left side. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to have you on the table, okay? So go ahead and go face down for me, please. Face to the
Diba po tayo
paper.
na?
Facing the paper, hands to your sides. You can keep your shoes on if you want. Good job. Very good. Perfect.
Okay.
Alright. So I am going to check to see if your legs are even first. Your right leg is short. Right leg short? Yeah, about a quarter inch. This is rotating here. All right. Lay on your side facing me, please.
Pain.
Baby flat. Get your lower back. It's one right here. There you go. Perfect. On your back, face up on please. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good. Doing really good. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just stay right there. Good. Okay. Perfect. Face down for me, please. Nice and even. Yeah. Nice and even, huh? All right, go and stand up, please. Any difference?
May magbabago man po. Okay lang.
Better? So your head back and right. Okay. All right, let's turn this one. To the right side, the left side. All right. Okay. You have any few words to say how you feel right now?
Okay, gumaan po yung pakiramdam ko na medyo na bawas-bawasan din po siya. Yan. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Okay.